Hello and welcome back everyone. So in today's Alteryx weekly challenge, we are going to solve problem number 35. So without wasting too much time, let's get started. So instruction that we have is there is a series of data cleansing processes we need to do on our data. Please solve each as per the instruction. Let me run the workflow first. In first case, we need to remove the leading zero. This is the basic data source that we have, this field, and the expected output is like this. So I can use select tool or formula tool. Let me try with formula tool. We are going to give column name as print, and we are going to trim zeros. So let's run the workflow. So let's match it with our output. So yeah, it is matching. So it was pretty much easy one. The second challenge that we have is entity. This is 4-digit numerical code. Trim leading zeros and or descriptive text at the end. This is the source data, and we need to trim these leading zeros and eliminate this report. Let's compare with expected outcome. Okay, so we need this column to be renamed as select vehicle unit number, and we need to trim this data. So this time I'm going to use Parse tool to trim that descriptive text. As a delimiter, I am going to use semicolon, and we just need two numbers of column. So yeah, our data is separated. It is just that we just need our data, our column to be formulated. Let me use the select tool. The first column need the title as vehicle unit number, and second is trimmed. We need to trim the first, not second one. So I am going to unselect second one and trim first one. I'm going to change the data type. So without using the formula tool, we will be removing the leading zeros. Let's run the workflow and see the data. So the only difference is vehicle unit number, where I have used underscore and they haven't. So yeah, we are pretty much good on that too. The next problem or challenge that we have is ID. If the data value ends with ID, remove the ID. So this is the data, and out of 4 rows, we just need to remove ID from these 2 rows. Let's check with expected outcome. So nothing much to do. I think formula tool will be the best to use to trim the data. So I'm going to add the column name will be trimmed, trim right. I think trim right will be the correct option. I forgot the string name. So basically what we can do is select X from here and select column name, and what we need to trim, I'm going to quote it into the double inverted comma. So let's run the workflow. Let's match it with our output. So yeah, our output is matching. We are pretty good. So everything going fine. Next challenge or problem that we have is safety code. If more than 8 characters, remove anything after 8. If only 6, add SC to the front. This is the data source that we have, and what they want is they want SC to be added in the first code, and for these extra characters we need to remove this fire warning. So I think we just need to add the conditional formula. Let's check the expected outcome. Here it is. Let's bring in the formula tool. So in this case I am going to use the conditional formula. Let's check the second column name. It is fixed, and first column name is safety. Okay, so I am going to give this column name as fixed. Then conditional formula: if length of the string is 6, then add SC. So double quote SC into the double quote plus my field name. If length of safety code is equal to 6, then SC safety code. Else if length of safety code is greater than or equal to 8, then we just need the 8 characters. So left string safety code, and we just need 8 characters, so I'm going to keep this as 8. Else it should be an error. And if, let me try. Fantastic, we have done it successfully. So thanks guys for watching. In case of any doubt or a suggestion, feel free to put a comment and ask your query or doubt. Thank you.